Wheat processing plant. The cereal processing plant consists of a sequence of coordinated machines. Each machine performs a specific and essential job that is functional for the next stage, which is why the quality and efficiency of the production process are determined by the equilibrium with which these machines are configured and adjusted. The layout is a simplification of a typical plant for milling wheat, composed of various processing sections: intake, pre-cleaning, first cleaning, conditioning, tempering, second cleaning, milling, storage of finished products and byproducts. Intake. This is the initial stage in which the product enters the plant. Once unloaded, the incoming product is collected in a pit and is transported via a conveyor to the pre-cleaning section. Pre-cleaning. This is the processing step in which all large foreign bodies are removed to preserve and protect the machines that subsequently transport the product or intensively process it. FBP filter. Filters the inlet air in the machines in the system to reduce dust emissions. Pond, automatic weigher. A machine weighing products in a continuous flow that checks the quantity of cereals processed and controls the plant's instantaneous production flow. It consists of a tubular weighing bucket resting on load cells. Granosictor pre-cleaning separator. Machine with an oscillating movement eliminating large foreign bodies by means of separating sifters and an integrated suction system. MF magnet. Detects and collects metallic foreign objects. First cleaning. This is the processing step in which all impurities are removed from the product: sand, dust, straw, various seeds and cereals, unsuitable kernels, small pebbles, various foreign bodies. RFP flow measurer. The electronic flow measurer, continuous reading of product flow through the load cell, maintains a constant flow rate according to the set point requested by the operator. Pond, automatic weigher. Vibroblock VB separator. Vibrating machine, equipped with double selection level for the removal of both large and fine impurities. SCC closed air cycle separator, closed loop suction channel, for the removal of light impurities. MF magnet. SGS, gravity selector dry stoner, machine eliminating small pebbles. The special suction chamber and 2 selection levels guarantee the separation of the product according to the specific weight. PO horizontal scourer, machine for external kernel cleaning, removes soil residues and all the impurities present on the kernel's husk. Color sorter, a series of full-color high-resolution cameras acquire images of the product passing through the machine. These images are processed and compared with the parameters selected by the operator, allowing the elimination of unsuitable colored or shaped kernels and small foreign bodies. Conditioning tempering. This is the stage in which the product is wetted to facilitate milling and to make the final humidity constant, which is essential to meet certain qualitative parameters in the finished product. It consists of 2 phases: first tempering, second tempering. iGross Tech 3 automatic dampening system. Automatic dampening system guaranteeing homogeneous moisture of the kernel for milling. The moisture probe continuously analyzes the input product and sends the information to the dampening panel, which calculates the amount of water required to reach the desired moisture set point in real time. B-Mix Intensive Dampener. The intensive dampening auger has a horizontal mixing chamber with special feeding and mixing paddles. The kernel's entire surface is wetted uniformly, ensuring homogeneous final moisture. RFP flow measurer. B-Mix Intensive Dampener. Second, cleaning. This is the processing step in which the outermost part of the kernel is removed to reduce the bacterial load. RFP flow measurer. PSV vertical debranner. The special rotating grinding wheels remove the outer husk of the kernel, thus reducing the bacterial load. Milling. This is the processing section where the kernel of wheat is actually transformed into flour. The main steps are the breakage of the kernel of wheat and sieving to separate from the flour all of the intermediate products that need further breaking or refining to become flour. Pond, automatic weigher. MF magnet. Synthesis, roller mill. In the heart of the milling plant, the suitably distributed cereal falls onto two cylinders that rotate at a preset speed in opposite directions, crushing and cutting the kernel passing between them. Modulo plansictor, a free oscillating machine used to sift the products arriving from the rolling mills. Each machine is composed of several stacks of sieves and select the products based on particle size, separating intermediate, large, medium, and fine products from the flour. Semolina, purifier, cleans the intermediate semolina generated by the previous milling steps. The product is stratified according to the specific weight and size. FBP filter. GSO, GVSO, horizontal bran finisher, machine that finishes the cortical fractions, bran. Horizontal bars beat the product to remove the flour residues remaining on it. Pond, automatic weigher. Storage of finished products and byproducts. This is the final stage of the production process, in which the finished products and byproducts are stored in silos. ESF, ESB, vibrating discharger. Uniformly extracts flours and other products that do not slide well. The vibration created by a motor vibrator to the suspended hopper causes the material to flow out of the storage cells. The product slides over the cone positioned in the center of the extractor and descends through a wide circular peripheral slot toward the outlet. The machine's effective principle guarantees uniform extraction for flour and other products, even when they do not slide well.